Everyone, in this video we will be looking at today's LeetCode challenge problem, maximum 69 number. You are given a positive integer num and consists only 6 digits 6 and 9. You have to return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit, that is 6 to 9 or 9 to 6. So this is a very straightforward and easy problem. Uh, and it is more of like an implementation, that thing, new concept we will be learning here, but good to know about the implementation. Here you can see an example, 9669. The greatest number, maximum number that is possible is 9969. From here there is a straight observation, like we have to change only 6 to 9, whichever is at the MSB, or the most significant integer, or at the end of the number. Okay, so if we are able to change that, then it is like the greatest number. So here all are 9 and only 6 is here, so we change 6 to 9. We cannot get any number which is greater by changing 9 to 6. That is like it decreases the number. So to increase the number, we have to change from 6 to 9. So we will be looking at the implementation. So here to implement this, what I'll do is I have two methods. I'll show you the two methods. First is convert the number to string. Okay, and then the operations will be much easier. Okay, and first we have converted the string. First we have converted the number into string. Now we will iterate over. mm we will iterate over the string, this auto and the reference. Auto, what does it do is it will we need not specify any data type. It will automatically assign the data type, since we are iterating through the string s. It will find out like we are iterating over characters, so it is easy to write. Okay, and if we see the character which is equal to 6, what we'll try to do is we will make that character to 9, and then uh, we will create a number a, which is nothing but string to integer of s. Now, once we do string to integer, we have to compare whether it is the maximum or not. Before that, what we'll set is we will set the result is equal to num. Okay, and this way every time we will be checking with the respective result. Our result is equal to max of result variable comma a, and then every time once we check it, now the string is changed to where 6 is there it has become 9, but it will, if we have to change, we have to restore it back, the string we have to restore it back to 6. Why? Because if we don't restore, it will be staying changed and you will be changing multiple 6 to 9. We have to change only one 6 to 9. So that's why we will be changing it back again, and then we will finally return the result variable. And let's run this. It should pass all the cases. Yeah, it passes all the cases. So let's submit it. So it passes. Right. Now we will look at other method. Okay. We will do another method where we are trying to, we are not converting it to any string. We are just doing it on the integers itself. We will keep an index. The idea is, if we find the number 6, we have to change it to 9 by just by finding out which digit we are at this position, and then converting. Finally, if we get that digit position, then we will convert that into 9. So let us see how we will do it. So firstly, ID we will take it as index is equal to -1. And then we will take the number into temp, because if we are doing digit-wise digit traversal, we have to divide the number and take the modulo operation, in which the original number n could be disturbed. So what we'll do is we have to return that original number itself. Again, if we don't find any such numbers, we have to return the original number. So we are storing that temp value, and next we will keep position. This variable will track which position we are in currently, and while temp not equal to 0, what we are trying to do is, if temp modulo 10, which will give us the reminder, if that is 6, then we are recording that position, uh, and if it is 6, then we will again temp is equal to temp divided by 10, and position value we are increasing. We want to know which position is there. Ultimately, while returning, what will return is, if uh, ID is equal to not equal to, if it is equal to -1, which means like we couldn't find any 6 in that, which means that it is the maximum possible number, so we will return num. Otherwise, what we have to find out, if we got the number num, if we got some ID value, then we will add that number into 3 with int. We are adding with power of 10 base ID. Okay, what does this do actually? So say for example you have a number 9669. Uh, this loop iterates, and first it will find out this 6. Okay, the position first will be here, and again it will iterate, and your position, you will be finding out position 6 here, and we want to change the we want to change it, the leftmost sixth number to 9. So once we got 6, we know the position. It is like 2 position. So what we are trying to do is, here we are trying to make it into power of 2, which is 100. 10 to the power of 2, we are taking it and multiplying it into 3, because if you want to convert 16 to 9, you can just add 3 to it, and this is the whichever position that is there that we want to add it. So now let's run this code. See, this also accepts. So let's submit. So yeah, done. This is also done. So thank you. That's it for this video.